Alright guys, so thanks again for joining us, and welcome to this where we're going to be talking about how it went, how I felt, and what was going on through my head while we were working on this recipe. There we go. Now here we're picking up this bacon sheet, which we worked on very hard for y'all, and the problem is I wasn't sure it was going to stick. I thought it might fall while we were working on it, trying to stick it in there, but luckily it did stay and it worked out well. This part did. Little salt, little pepper. Now we got some grilled cooked veggies for y'all. Onions, red, green, and yellow bell peppers. Let's pick this up so it doesn't leak on us. Go. And the next challenge was, of course, to make sure that the egg yolks don't break again while we're putting some weight on them. And here we were adding a pretty good amount of mixed veggies. Take your time and do not panic. And most importantly, don't leave. Stay watching. We got some shredded cheddar. It's worth it. Worth the time, worth the effort. Let's go ahead and drop these. So here, afterwards, gently placing some tomatoes and some chives. That went nice, I think. Brings out the color and gives it a little freshness. You guys can add anything you want. If there's something that you don't like here, you can leave it out, or you can add an extra something. Guys, you can find the recipe at chefclub.tv, just as always, but only at chefclub.tv. There we go. Nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and close this up. So we grab our knife and we do the same thing. We bring it under. Carefully pick it up. Pick up the bacon. Here, the reason we're going to go ahead and use a knife, you can use a spatula, you can use whatever you have at home, you can use a ruler if you want. It's basically just to save you guys a little time and not make it too long or too boring. So we're trying to use anything we have at our disposal to make this go faster and make it easier for us and for you at home. With this jalapeno infused maple syrup. And of course, to make this even better, we thought we'd go ahead and make a jalapeno infused maple syrup to give it a taste and a kick that is not commonly found, which is what we specialize at, making things that are different and creative. So go ahead and grab some eggs. Milk, sugar, little cinnamon, and vanilla extract. We all have different recipes for French toast, for the mix for the French toast. Here we went with something very simple that uses little ingredients that can meet anyone's budget. So we didn't go too exotic on this. Oh, hold up, it's not gonna work that way, so we're gonna grab this here and drop it in nice and carefully. Perfect. Now we go back, grab this, get it nice and soaked, turn it around, get the other side. Yes, we are making French toast. So, again here, just to let y'all know guys, the reason we're doing this is to make something that is easy to share, easy to make. It didn't take a lot of time to prepare, and at the end, as you can see, it was live. We did this in under 10 minutes. Total time, it was about 9 minutes and 35 seconds. So you can literally do this right in here. Squeeze them in there. And now you're going to follow me real quick to the oven. Let's go ahead and place this one inside. Perfect. And grab this out. Here we are, finishing up, going to the oven. Of course, we have one prepared, so you don't have to wait. Right there. Let's let the other one cook in the meantime. We can go ahead and grab a couple of spatulas, and we take our first one. Here, this is the bottom. Place it nice and gentle, nice and gently. Now, and as for this one, we're gonna go ahead and grab it. It's a little hot, it's okay. There you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you have any recipes you want us to try out, send them our way and we will check it out. Thank you.